Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error in EA Sports FC 26 that says this software cannot be used at the same time as the game AutoHotKey. If you're seeing this error, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to solve it. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look for AutoHotKey. If you see it running, right-click and select End Task. Do the same for any services related to AutoHotKey. If you have other background apps running, such as Logitech G Hub, right-click them as well and select End Task. Step 2. Make sure to close all unnecessary background applications such as Daemon Tools, ReWASD, DS4 Windows, Corsair Services, Faceit Services. Right-click them in Task Manager and click End Task. Step 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Storage Controllers. Right-click Daemon Tools if you see it, and select Disable. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you see anything related to tools, right-click and select Disable. Look for devices like XVDD Miniport. If you see it, right-click and disable it. In my case, Daemon Tools is already disabled, and you should do the same. Step 4. If the issue continues, you can uninstall these third-party apps completely. Open the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs. Find apps like Daemon Tools, or DS4 Windows, uninstall them, then restart your computer. Step 5. Once everything is closed, disabled, or uninstalled, restart your PC. Launch EA Sports FC 26 again. The error should now be fixed, and the game should run without problems.